Have you ever pondered about what secrets the deep sea might be hiding from us? The deep sea, a world of darkness and pressure, is a place where sunlight never reaches and where creatures of the imagination come to life. Imagine a realm where the pressure is so intense that it could crush most things daring to venture too deep. Yet, life thrives here, in the most extreme of environments. Among the deep sea's many mysteries is the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of our world's oceans. Deeper than Mount Everest is tall, the Mariana Trench reaches depths of over 7 miles. Within this abyss, where the pressure is 1,000 times greater than at sea level and temperatures hover just above freezing, life has found a way to exist. One such unique creature that calls the Mariana Trench home is the alien jellyfish. An organism as mesmerizing as it is haunting, this jellyfish is as real as it is surreal. Let's dive deeper into its world in the next scene. In the inky blackness of the Mariana Trench dwells a creature as mesmerizing as it is eerie, the alien jellyfish. This fascinating creature was discovered by scientists from the United States National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, as they ventured into the enigmatic depths of the Mariana Trench. Using a remote-operated submarine called the Deep Discoverer, they captured images of this remarkable being at a breathtaking depth of around 3,700 meters. The alien jellyfish is not your ordinary jellyfish. It belongs to the genus Crassoda, a group of jellyfish known for their vibrant colors and intricate designs. But what sets this particular species apart is its lack of a stationary phase. Unlike many other jellyfish species that anchor themselves to the seabed during their early stages of life, the alien jellyfish spends its entire existence freely floating in the ocean's depths. Now, if you think that's interesting, wait till you hear about its hunting method. This deep-sea dweller has a unique way of catching its prey. Instead of waiting for food to come to it, the alien jellyfish actively hunts. It extends its long, delicate tentacles outward in a 360-degree ambush, ready to ensnare any unsuspecting creature that swims by. The alien jellyfish is a shining example of the incredible adaptability of life forms on Earth. Despite the crushing pressures and freezing temperatures of the Mariana Trench, it thrives in an environment that would be fatal to most other creatures. It's a reminder of how much we have yet to learn about our own planet. The alien jellyfish, a creature as real as it is fantastical, continues to baffle scientists with its existence. It's a testament to the mysteries that lie beneath the surface of our oceans, waiting to be discovered. The alien jellyfish, a creature as real as it is fantastical, continues to baffle scientists with its existence. Our journey into the depths of the ocean has unveiled a creature that seems to have emerged straight out of a science fiction novel. We journeyed through the mysteries of the deep sea, a realm so alien to us, yet part of our own planet. We delved into the unique conditions of the Mariana Trench, a place of extreme pressure and utter darkness, a place where sunlight never reaches. We then met our alien jellyfish, a creature both captivating and unsettling. We learned about its unique life cycle, devoid of a stationary phase, a trait that sets it apart from its kin. And then there's its hunting style, a fascinating spectacle that only adds to its alien-like persona. As we continue to explore the vast, dark, and mysterious oceans, who knows what other alien-like creatures we might stumble upon next.